I'm going to show you a side hustle that's stupid simple, works for total beginners, and can make you money in the same day you set it up. It's called the AI Profile Upgrade Side Hustle, and if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the trick that turns a $10 upgrade into a $50 recurring client. If you only make it halfway, you'll miss the part that actually makes this profitable. All right, let's get moving on to what you're all here for. The whole idea is this: people's profiles online suck. Their bios are awkward. Their About Me pages feel like homework assignments. Their Etsy descriptions are outdated. Their Fiverr intros are boring. Their Instagram bios are confusing. And their LinkedIn summaries read like they're apologizing for existing. Everywhere you look, people are losing money because they can't describe who they are or what they do. And here's the opportunity. AI can fix all of that in seconds. You become the person who does the polishing, the upgrading, the rewriting, and the professionalizing. The client just gives you the messy version. You make it clean, confident, punchy, and clear. This is beginner heaven. You don't need a niche. You don't need a website. You don't need a portfolio. You just need one skill: prompting AI to rewrite things better. Let me give you an example. Let's say a photographer has a description on her Instagram that says, "I do photos, DM me for prices." You grab that, drop it into ChatGPT, and say, "Rewrite this to sound professional, friendly, and confident. Keep it short." Boom. You hand her back something like lifestyle and portrait photographer, helping you capture moments you'll love forever. Booking info below. That tiny improvement makes her look professional instantly, and she'll happily pay for that. Here's another one: an Etsy seller with a clunky About section. You take the old paragraph, tell ChatGPT to rewrite it in a warm tone with clear value, and suddenly their shop feels established instead of thrown together in a coffee-fueled panic at 2 a.m. This is why this side hustle is so powerful. It fixes pain the client already feels. They know their writing is bad. They know they sound unprofessional. They know they're losing sales. You swoop in like a friendly cleanup crew. Now let me show you the 3 kinds of upgrades you can sell, and you only need one to start. First, bio upgrades. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Etsy, Fiverr. These are fast money because everyone wants to look sharp, but nobody knows what to say. Second, service descriptions. Everything from what I do, blurbs, to complete about pages. These make business owners feel instantly more credible. Third, messaging fixes. I'll rewrite your intro message. I'll fix your cold DM. I'll polish your email. These take you under a minute each. And here's the crazy part. The whole workflow takes almost no time. You paste the messy text in, tell the AI the tone, the style, the audience, and what the client wants people to feel. It rewrites, you polish, you deliver. That's it. Now let's talk money, because this is where beginners get excited. A basic profile upgrade, like rewriting a short bio, goes for $10 to $15. A full profile rewrite, about page, intro message, and tagline, goes for $25 to $50. And if you bundle it with a visual profile cover in Canva, people will easily pay $75 or more because it looks premium. And here's your payoff. Once somebody lets you rewrite their profile, they'll want more. They'll want you to rewrite product descriptions. They'll want you to rewrite DMs. They'll want you to rewrite emails. Why? Because they hate writing. They know you're good at it, and you save them from sounding like a nervous middle schooler giving a book report. That leads us to the part I warned you not to miss. The part where this becomes real money instead of one-off jobs. When you finish a rewrite, you say, "If you want, I can keep your profile updated every month for $25. Anytime you launch something new or want a new vibe, I'll fix it for you." Half the people will say yes, because they don't want to go back to writing things themselves. This is the hidden income right here. Tiny subscription-style clients that stack. So here's what I want you to do today. Find one messy profile. Just one. A friend, a creator, a local shop, anyone. Rewrite it using AI. Send them both versions, the before and after. They will immediately see the difference. And once they do, they'll either hire you or tell someone who will. If you want a full breakdown, exact prompts, visual layout, pricing bundles, all of it, just say the word and I'll make that the next video.